Hello and welcome to a short series of videos covering the features and functions on the new WizRuns app. In this video I want to go through with you the functions of the buttons running across the top of your app. Now the logo button is simple. It is effectively the home button to take you back to the home screen anytime. Next we have the clock, and the clock has four features. The obvious start button, which will change to a pause button when it's pressed. And if you press the reset, it will reset the clock to the default time of 15 minutes. And if you want to change the timer to 10 minutes or 30 minutes, you just tap the clock itself and enter any desired time you wish. Next is the map button. Now this is a cool little feature that will allow you to view the map whilst either revising the run or listening to the audio. Tap it once to open half screen, tap it twice you'll get the full screen, and if you tap it 3 times it will return to the run screen. You will see the pinned line of the run and you can zoom in and out to get more or less detail. Next we've got the speed buttons. The plus and minus will control the speed of playback when on autoplay.
Leave on left, Green Lanes, right, Lordship Park, forward, Manor Road, left, Heathland Road, right, Fairholt Road, forward, Dunsmuir Road, left, West Bank.
It'll also control the speed of playback of the audio, so you can get to set this to a comfortable time to call along with. Whether you want to call in tangent or during the gaps, this will give you accurate control over that aspect. Now for the transit buttons. Now quite simply, this is how you navigate each run. The first button will take you either to the start of the run you just called or to the start of the previous run. So if you just called a run and you want to call it again, then press this button and it will go to the start of that run. Press it again and it will take you back a whole run. The next transit button will take you back through your run line by line. So if you want to back up on what you've just called, just press this a few times to get back to the line where you called and you want to call from there onwards. The following button will probably be the most used button. This is the play button. Press this and the run will autoplay at your chosen speed from your settings in the plus and minus buttons. You can do this with or without audio. Press the pause button to stop it anytime. The next button will allow you to see the whole run when you press it once, and it's to be used when you're out on your bike to give you a complete overview of the run, or when you're at home and you want to see the whole run itself. Press the back up play button to go back to your desired line. And finally, very simply, the on-off audio button that does exactly what it says on the tin. That's the top row buttons. Look out for further videos where I'll explain some of the features. And if you have any specific questions about these or other features, put your questions below in the comments. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel if you haven't already done so.